Hello everyone. Now I will explain about the multi-row card. So what is a multi-row card? A multi-row card builds on from the standard card visual and allow you to combine several singular cards into one visual. Similar to the card, the multi-row card is based used to represent a number of KPIs or high-level metrics. For example, to highlight the total sales for each product category, demonstrating both the category name and its corresponding value in a sleek and compact format. Actually, the drawback of the card is that it cannot hold more than one value. So to overcome that, we can use the multi-row card where we can compare compare multiple fields like sales, profit, quantity, order ID, city, year wise. We can do all those things. So we'll see how it is. So click on the multi-row card here. Yes. Now adjust its size. Yes. Now on the field, we'll move the sales here. So we can see the total sales. After that, this is the profit here. We can see the sales profit in a single visual here. Now, if you want, we can move the quantity here. Now, if we want, we can move the order date here. So we can see all those sales, profit, quantity year wise like 2014, 15, 16, 17. In the same way, if we want, we can move the regional category here. Let's see. So we can divide into the category like furniture, office supply, technology for year 2014. In the same way, it will be further divided into 15, 16, 17, like that it is. So this is the very specific feature of the multi-row card. This is all about the multi-row card.